Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the HZ English Pod, where learning English is easy, fun, and totally possible, even when you are alone.
I am Hamza, and I am so happy you are here with us today. This episode is going to be very, very useful for you.
I am Zara, and today we are talking about something special, our night owl method, which helps you speak English fluently all by yourself.
Yes, no partner, no classroom, no problem. Just you, your voice, and a few smart habits.
Before we dive in, a small but important request. If you enjoy the HZ English Pod, please click the like button right now.
And please subscribe to our channel so you never miss a single episode. Every episode has a new tip to help your English grow.
We put so much love into every episode, and your support truly means the world to us. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Now, let me ask you something. Do you ever feel shy to speak English because you have no one to practice with?
So many of our listeners feel exactly the same way, and that is completely okay. That feeling is very, very normal. But here is the good news. Tonight, we are going to change that feeling forever with our night owl method. This method works for beginners, for intermediate learners, and even for advanced speakers who want to feel more confident and natural.
It does not cost any money. It does not need any special equipment. All you need is yourself and a little bit of courage.
Get comfortable, grab your coffee or your tea, and let us begin this exciting journey together.
Zara, let us talk about the number one problem that almost every English learner has: translating inside their head.
Yes, when you want to say something in English, your brain first thinks in your native language and then tries to find the English words.
That process is like taking a very long detour on a road trip. It takes so much extra time and energy.
Exactly. And by the time you find the words, the conversation has already moved forward and you feel left behind.
We call this the three-step trap. Think in your language, translate to English, then speak. 3 steps instead of 1.
Our goal with the night owl method is to cut those 3 steps down to just 1. Think in English and speak in English, directly.
And the beautiful thing is, you can train your brain to do this all by yourself, in your own home, every single night.
Your brain is like a muscle. The more you practice thinking in English, the stronger and faster that muscle becomes.
Think about it. When you learned to ride a bicycle, at first it felt impossible, but with practice, it became totally natural and automatic.
Speaking English directly is exactly the same. It feels hard at the beginning, but every night of practice makes it a little bit easier.
And the nighttime is absolutely perfect for this practice because everything is quiet and you can really focus.
So let us now look at our 3 powerful tips for becoming a true night owl English speaker.
Tip number 1 is called the shower speaking strategy, and it is exactly what it sounds like. Talk to yourself in the shower.
I know. Your first thought might be, Hamza, that sounds a little crazy. But trust us, it is one of the best things you can do.
When you are in the shower, you are completely alone. There is no pressure, and you can say anything without feeling embarrassed.
Start with simple narration. Just describe what you are doing at that exact moment using easy English sentences.
For example, you can say, I am turning on the water, or the water is very warm, or I am washing my hair now.
These sentences are simple, but they are incredibly powerful because you are connecting the English words directly to real actions.
After a few days, you can make it more interesting. Talk about your day, your plans, your feelings, your dreams.
You can say something like, today was a hard day, but I am proud of myself because I kept going. Full English thoughts directly from your brain.
The more you talk in the shower, the more automatic English becomes. Your brain starts to skip the translation step naturally.
And here is a little secret tip inside the tip. Try to use new vocabulary words you learned that day inside your shower speech.
That way, you review new words while you practice speaking, and you get double the improvement in the same amount of time. Brilliant, right?
You can also practice asking and answering your own questions. Say, "What did I do today?" and then answer yourself in English.
It feels a little funny at first, but this question and answer technique is one of the fastest ways to build real speaking confidence.
So tonight, when you step into the shower, remember, it is not just a shower anymore. It is your personal English-speaking studio.
Tip number 2 is what we call the mirror labeling game, and you play it every single night while you brush your teeth.
When you stand in front of the bathroom mirror, look around the room and name everything you see in English, out loud.
Toothbrush, toothpaste, mirror, soap, towel, sink, tap, window. Say each word clearly and with confidence.
The key rule of this game is no translation allowed. You see the object and you think the English word directly, like a reflex.
At first, maybe you will not know every word, and that is completely fine. Just make a small mental note and look it up later.
But once you know the words, practice them every night until they become totally automatic, until you cannot look at a toothbrush without thinking toothbrush.
Then you level up the game. Instead of just naming objects, you make small sentences about them.
For example, "My toothbrush is blue and white," or "This soap smells like flowers," or "The mirror is a little bit foggy tonight."
Those small sentences are training your brain to build English thoughts automatically, without any help from your native language.
And the mirror is also great because you can watch your mouth, your face, and your expressions while you speak, just like a real class.
Eye contact with yourself in the mirror also builds speaking confidence. It sounds funny, but it truly, truly works.
You can even practice your English smile. A warm, confident smile makes your voice sound friendlier and more natural in any language.
And do not worry about making mistakes when you look in the mirror. The mirror will never judge you. It will only show you your progress.
So every night, your bathroom mirror is your English teacher, your speaking partner, and your biggest fan all in one.
Tip number 3 is about mindset. And Zara, you know I love this one because it is about being kind to yourself.
Yes! At the end of a long, tiring day, it is so easy to say, "I am too tired. I will practice English tomorrow instead."
But tomorrow becomes the next day and then the next, and suddenly a whole week has passed with zero practice.
So our night owl secret is this. You do not need to practice for 1 hour. You just need 10 minutes. And 10 minutes is always possible.
10 minutes is smaller than one episode of your favorite show. You absolutely have 10 minutes hiding somewhere in your evening.
And the mirror is also great because you can watch your mouth, your face, and your expressions while you speak, just like a real class.
When you finish your 10 minutes, you feel proud, you feel happy, and you go to sleep with a positive feeling about your English journey.
That positive feeling is so important because it makes your brain want to practice again tomorrow. It creates a beautiful habit loop.
And habits are the secret to fluency. Not talent, not intelligence, not living in an English country. Just small, consistent daily habits.
Research also shows that what you do right before sleep stays in your memory longer, so your 10 minutes of English goes deep into your brain overnight.
That means while you are sleeping and dreaming, your brain is quietly organizing and storing all the English you practiced. Is that not amazing?
So tonight, set a 10-minute timer on your phone, do your shower talk and your mirror game, and then reward yourself with a good night's sleep.
Your bed and your pillow are the prize for every night owl who finishes their practice. You earn your rest, and you deserve it.
We have a special bonus tip for our most dedicated night owls. Try to think in English not just at night, but during the day too.
We have a special bonus tip for our most dedicated night owls. Try to think in English not just at night, but during the day too.
Every small English thought during the day is a tiny seed, and by nighttime, all those seeds have grown into stronger English fluency.
The more you think in English during the day, the easier your night owl practice becomes at night. Everything connects and builds together.
Start with just 3 English thoughts per day, morning, afternoon, and evening, and slowly increase as it gets more comfortable for you.
After just 2 weeks of this habit, you will be amazed at how much faster and easier English comes out of your mouth. We promise you this.
You do not need to move to another country to think like an English speaker. You just need to make English your inner voice, starting today.
Okay, night owls, let us quickly review. Tip 1. Talk to yourself in the shower and narrate your actions and your day in English.
Tip 2. Play the mirror labeling game while you brush your teeth. Name objects and make small sentences about them in English.
Tip 3. Use the 10-minute mindset. Even on tired nights, give yourself just 10 minutes and then enjoy your well-earned rest.
And our bonus tip. Think 3 small English thoughts every day and watch your fluency grow faster than you ever imagined.
For your homework tonight, please write 1 English sentence in the comments below that you will say to yourself in the shower.
We read every single comment and we love seeing your progress. Your sentences make us so proud and so happy every single day.
Remember, mistakes are not your enemies. They are your best teachers. And every mistake means you are trying, and that is already amazing.
You are brave, you are strong, and you are exactly the kind of learner who will become fluent. We truly, completely believe in you.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today at the HZ English Pod. We will see you in the very next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and never forget, your English is growing every single day.